Welcome to our YouTube tutorial on how to clear browsing history in the last 24 hours in Chrome on your PC. In this video, we will walk you through the steps to remove your browsing history for the specified time range. Let's begin. Step 1. Open Chrome on your computer. Step 2. Click on the three dots icon located at the top right corner of the screen. Step 3. From the drop-down menu, select Settings. Step 4. Once the Settings page loads, scroll down and click on Privacy and Security. Step 5. Look for the option Clear Browsing Data and click on it. Step 6. In the Time Range box, click on the drop-down menu and select Last 24 Hours. Step 7. Tick the box next to Browsing History to enable it. Step 8. Finally, click on Clear Data at the bottom to remove your browsing history for the last 24 hours. By following these simple steps, you can easily clear your browsing history in Chrome for the specified time range on your PC. This will help you maintain your privacy and ensure a clean browsing experience.